How to improve photo or video quality on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. There is no specific way to improve options, so simply open Snapchat, log into your account, and click on your profile on top left corner of your screen. After clicking on your profile, you'll find settings on top right corner of your screen. Simply click on settings. In here, scroll all the way down till you find clear cache option. Click on clear cache. After you have cleared your cache, your photo or video quality on Snapchat may improve. After that, simply restart your device and you're good to go. This is how to improve photo or video quality on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.